Well, it's all well and good crunching leaves, but some of us live here, you know.
Sorry, Reginald. We had no idea.
If you crunch all the leaves, then where am I gonna live? And what am I gonna eat?
Doggy biscuits?
I don't think caterpillars eat doggy biscuits, Triggs.
What do they eat then?
What do we eat? Why, crunchy, munchy, delicious leaves, of course. Crunch, crunch, time for lunch. Tasty, scrumptious leaves. Crunch, scrunch, thanks a bunch. Give me all the leaves, please. Oh, look at this tasty, scrumptious leaf. It's my crunchy lunch and also my home. But then you come along like you own each living thing. And you scrunch my leaf up like it's yours to own. Hey, won't you leave my leaf alone? Crunch, crunch, time for lunch. Tasty, scrumptious leaves. Crunch, scrunch, thanks a bunch. Give me all the leaves, please.
Reg, we're very sorry. This leaf is so special new. If only there was something helpful we could do.
If there was something that you wanted, like doggy bickies or jet skis.
Well, I do like leaves.
That's it, Triggs. You're a genius.
I am?
Reg, we're gonna get you lots and lots of lovely leaves.
Oh, of course, Maddie. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Crunch, crunch, time for lunch. Tasty, scrumptious leaves. Crunch, scrunch, thanks a bunch. Give me all the leaves, please.